What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's daytime, so y'all can hear my audio. So today we are going to be doing shaving cream versus slime. Yeah, hear that? Look at that. It's already kind of crunchy before I even add anything in it. Cause people say shaving cream makes it like crunchier sometimes. So yeah. So let's try this thing. Here I have some shaving cream. You can see I already used it. Yep, and today I might be doing another video. I might be making one, so let's just do it. There we go, that should be enough. I don't want to use too much. So guys, it looks like a lot, but you know, it's not that much of it. And there we go, we're just going to mix it. It looks like it's like terrible, but when you finish it, it is fluffy. I just watched so many YouTube videos of this stuff, and you know, I've never ever used shaving cream and slime. Guys, don't judge, but I never have. So this is actually my first time, and my first time, my reaction, I'm gonna give it a, I'll say an 8 out of 10. It's just because sometimes if you add too much, you're not able to make bubbles, so it's not stretchy. That's a -1, which takes it to a 9. And the second minus is that it sucks because I put molding clay in this, and I add shaving cream to it too, and it's like turns my hands green. If you can't see, it's just green, and it makes your hands feel disgusting. So, but I like playing with slime, and that's why I might make a new one. Yeah, not super stretchy, but we're gonna do it one more time. I thought I felt something or something. I thought I could find a ruler. That was a lot. Told you guys I wasn't gonna add a lot, but apparently I did. I'm gonna bring it in here for you guys because I'm probably not gonna spread it today. But there we go. And see, it looks like it's not gonna do anything. Look how a mess it looks. Hopefully this is not a fail. But I do not want this to be a fail. It doesn't feel like it's a fail. It feels like it's don't do it. There we go. It's super fluffy. Alright. So let's give it a poke test. Pass the poke test. Let's give it another bubble test. You guys comment down below which one that was. It looks like it was a pass, but I don't know, so you guys comment down below. Was that a pass or not? Let's try another one. Definitely that's not a pass. So, like always, I'm gonna cut it in half. Always gotta cut it in half. Boom. we're just gonna spread it. Shaving cream versus slime. It looks going good. Shaving cream has not took over, so it looks like slime is winning. So shaving cream did, because if I have dad detergent, that means shaving cream wins. So it's time to mix it. Now we're just gonna add like we always do. Like I always do. Now let's just, I might have to throw some of this slime away or get a giant container, because look at how small my container is. This slime was actually small before I added this stuff in it, so after I added shaving cream in it. So alright, let's give it a poke test. Poke test. It passes the poke test. Stretchy test. It passes the stretchy test. Now for the final test, we're going to do the bow test, and you only have 5 tries to land a perfect, well not a perfect, but a good bubble. Let's go with that. I'll say a nope. Nope. Nope or nope. So that was a nope. That was a nope. So pretty sure these bubbles are not gonna work, and it's a nope. So guys, I think that if your advice to use shaving cream, I would use a tad bit of a lot of lotion, and I'm talking about a lot of lotion. So what I would do is that I would mix the, like if I'm making slime, I would get the glue, then mix it up with some lotion, and then add shaving cream, then mix it up with shaving cream, and then that's when you add activator. But it's not super stretchy. But guys, that's the end of the video. Sorry if it still got a little bad audio. I don't want to yell. So yes guys, I don't want to be yelling that much, so cause I'm a little chill today, so it's like I'm not used to talking as much. But when I go to play, that's when I'm more active. But you guys, hopefully my mom will help me in this. Bye guys. My mom would help me, and my grandmother helped me get some glue, and we can make a slime video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and please share. And I'll see you guys in the next video.